Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you're having trouble with a website being blocked from displaying pop-ups and need to enable it, just follow these steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu, then select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings. Here, scroll down to the Content section and select Pop-ups and Redirects. You'll see an option labeled Default Behavior. If it's set to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, it means all pop-ups are currently blocked. To allow pop-ups, select the option Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. If you only want to allow pop-ups on specific websites without enabling them for all sites, scroll down to the Customize Behaviors section. The first section is Not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirects. This is where you can add websites you want to completely block from showing pop-ups and redirects, even if your default setting allows pop-ups. The second section is Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. This is where you can add websites you want to allow to display pop-ups and redirects, even if your default setting blocks pop-ups. To add a website, click the Add button in the appropriate section. Then, enter the URL of the website and click Add to save it. This feature is useful for controlling pop-ups on specific websites you trust or need to use, while keeping other sites under your default settings. If you want to block pop-ups again for a specific site, go back to this section, click the three-dot icon next to the website's address, and select Remove or Block. And that's it. Now you know how to allow or block pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials from Easy Tech Steps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.